India National Developmental Inclusive Alliance India Bloc Manipur convener Khetrimayum Shanta has asserted that the ensuing Lok Sabha election is going to be the turning point of the state's prevailing issue. Speaking to media at a press conference held at Congress Bhavan, BT Road, KSH Shanta said that India Bloc Manipur will set an example by contesting in a free and fair manner, devoid of any corruption. He assured that the alliance will not engage in any form of activities to influence voters against their will. Furthermore, he accused Narendra Modi, Amit Shah and N. Biren of intimidating the leaders of India Bloc with their muscle power. State President of Shiv Sena UBT Toijam Debananda and State Secretary of RSP Kangjam Manoranjan also attended the meeting.
She Modi Makada, she Amisai Makada, she Yeni Makada, Manu Maruina, and Shate, and we know that Shigumba, we electionary to Matanda, we upon the Pivita Nova, BJP, Amadi, Green Party, when highly Karimba, Manipurati, and other election, we partition, CSO sing, Maya Bamishing, Zama Sama Fishing with the police is in my debut, Tadalus Union, Nubanu Big Haidana, Gato, and the same election among Manipura, Shanti Sulema, the Peshato Shinadaba, the free and fair, or by election among whenever they win a bit of the.
Meanwhile, State President Shiv Sena UBT Toijam Debananda condemned the vandalism and intimidation meted out at his Kiamgai residence by armed miscreants. He said the miscreants came in 3 cars without registration numbers. Stating that he was discharging his political duties, Debananda said that he is open for dialogue at any time if his actions had caused inconvenience to any individuals or organizations.
Situation BJP की सरकार सिना पब्लिक मीटिंग तो हुआ दिया है ना उसे अमित शाह ला करने है ना कोई हफ्ता कांगे बुंगदी पब्लिक मीटिंग तो दोली वो तो नहीं आवा वो तो नहीं आता कोरोना की मतलब दसु जनरल इलेक्शन ना एक कोई मी तरह देखिए है ना 3 बजे आती है आइतना एक तो बुंगा मोई ना तो बुने गया मोई मी लिस्टिंग में तो तिल लगा है तो भी मसी बुंगा आई की मी की खाई बकन से कोई पामजते Equally, Sinjar University, I Sadi, and the Karagu, from Zana, the Gavashi, Kanbon, and Vedopa, Matik Chaba Muda, Sinazaki, having to Mata, Tawani, other Lakata Bata and Pansuba, Loksaba election is that my benching, Sima, Punabana, free and appear with election, Wahan View.